The problem with text-based or even graphics-based emails? Boring. What if you finally had an engaging, affordable marketing tool like this?
Hi, this is Heather Chastain, president of Celebrating Home. I want to welcome the thousands of new designers
A tool which communicates your company's value through consistent sales videos approved by your company. A connection tool which includes the passion in the salesperson's voice. A marketing machine which is easy and affordable while actually saving you money. Introducing the foundational marketing machine for your sales force. AV Postcards. The end to non-engaging emails, Facebook, and Twitter accounts. In less than a minute, your salesperson can easily select an approved company video, record their voice, add extra notes, and get a link automatically generated they can paste into emails, Facebook, Twitter, or any number of online social media forums. So, you can bore them to death or blow them away with your own voice, a great video, all your contact information, all created in a compelling AVP in less than 1 minute. So check out our website for more information about deploying the AVP system as your marketing machine. AV Postcards. What's in it for me? 1. Increased sales. 2. Enhanced personal connections. And 3. Saving you time and money. Once you start using the system, you'll find that your sales increase.
Use it for your business and watch how it'll save you money and increase your sales.
And it will enable you to actually book more parties.
I received emails and phone calls back and was able to book 3 parties from that.
The system also increases your sales by giving you links to post on your Facebook and LinkedIn profile pages, not to mention Twitter and online weblogs. Now you can make your social media multimedia with your audio and video to help build your business. When you think about it though, your business is about making and keeping great personal connections, and this is the true strength of AV Postcards. You select the video, record your personalized audio over the phone, and send the link. Your prospects will feel far more connected to you, and those who haven't even met you will know what you look and sound like at your party. We also designed it to save you time and money. Instead of spending time and money on snail mail, you can now send personalized audio-video postcards and then measure how many were actually viewed. The money you save on printing and postage for a single party will more than pay for your subscription cost. And we're also saving you time. Creating every AV postcard takes less than 1 minute. So, if you're looking to grow your business, create and enhance your personal connections, and save a lot of time and money, sign up today.